Hello, my name is Max. In this video, I'm going to show you an example on using Script Listener in Script Runner for Confluence Cloud to sync a column of value to select list options in Jira. As you can see in this Confluence page, this is the column of value that I want to sync. In Jira, this is the multi-select list option that I want to sync to. And these are the options that already sync. You can also view the custom field options in Jira admin page setting page, like so. You should notice that there's a disable option over here. This is actually a previously synced value this is now already deleted in the table. Let's go over to the Script Runner admin page in Confluence. As you can see, I have configured Script Listener. A proper name is given to the listener, and the listener is configured to respond to any page update. So the logic would need to condition on specific page title and space key. To retrieve the space key, the easiest way is to go over to the page and retrieve the space key from the URL like so. The next thing you need to provide is a custom field. It's the custom field ID of that select list custom field. Similarly, to retrieve the custom field ID, the easiest way is to obtain it from the URL when editing the custom field in the Jira admin setting page, like so. The last thing that you need to provide is a pair of authentication detail, including a user email and API token, like here, here, and here. To create an API token, you can follow the instructions in the first documentation link that I provide in the command. As you can see, I have saved the authentication detail as script variables in Script Runner. To do that, you can simply go over to the script variable tab in Script Runner, and it is pretty straightforward to create script variables. Once you create them, this variable can be used in any script. And it is in this way, Script Runner would never ever have access to the underlying value. If you need more information about Script Runner script variables, you can simply go to the second documentation link that I provide in the comment as well. So now let's try to do some trigger the singing. So let's try to delete a row, recreate the previously deleted value. Other information are not actually needed. So let's give a random number. I have also include a very simple text processing to remove starting spaces, trailing spaces, and it will always capitalize the first letter. So the next one, let's give it a duplicate number that I already have. The next one would be, let's see, lemon. All right, let's do that. So let's go over to the Script Listener page and see whether it is triggered. So let's refresh that. And it is triggered now. Let's go over to the Jira. And you can see that the pineapple is now removed, banana is available, and lemon is available now. If I go to the Jira admin setting page, refresh this, and you can see that pineapple is now disabled, banana is now re-enabled, and lemon, the new options, the new value is created as a new options in the custom field as well. That's it. Thank you.